Hey everyone, look what just showed up on our lot. Right here is a brand new Camp Tab 400. And are you as stoked to see the 2024 upgrades as we are? So come watch this video and let's see what New Camp's done for 2024 on the Tab 400. All right, so the first change to the 400 is going to be the interior color. Before, they used to have two different colors, basically the light and the dark, or the gray and the birch. Now they have this light elm, which is standard in everything. It's a beautiful color. It goes well with the new floor. So next, with the new floor, this is now a composite floor, and this comes standard in the 400. Again, a nice stain to it. And that is the new 400 floor. All right, inside of the bathroom, they changed the molding on the sink. That's it. So very minor details to the changes of the 400 this year, except for the last thing. So stick around till the end. This is a nice feature though. I love, instead of the flip down sink that they had a few years back, I do love this. And now they just dialed it in and changed the molding around for us so we can kind of maneuver around it a little bit more instead of having it so bulky. So 400 sink molding changed for 2024. The next change is on the exterior, which I'll show you in a little video right here. All right, so on the 400, what they're doing with this now, they have raised their solar up to 310 watts with a single solar panel up there now. So instead of that 210 watt before, now it's at 310 watts up there. All right, so far we've covered 4 different changes on the Tab 400. Okay, for number 5, this is going to be the difference in the outdoor package. So the off-road package used to be the Boondock package, which now comes standard on all of these. So they all have that pitched axle, the front platform on it with those nice off-road tires. But they still do offer that classic package. If we want it, we just have to make sure we select it. So with that being said, this is still in number 5 for changes. They did just add on a new off-road package that is called the Black Canyon package. What that offers is underglow lights around the outside. It has tank heaters on it for the black and gray tanks. And they add one 310 additional watt solar panel. So now you have 620 watts with 2 310 watt solar panels up top. So, and that's ran with a 100 amp hour lithium battery with your inverter. This does have the converter in here. So now, I mean, this thing's a fully loaded rig that's going to go off grid for quite a while. So, all right, now you've stuck through the whole video. You've watched the first 5 differences. Now I want to take you to the final difference for the 2024s that everybody's excited about. So let's check this out. Some people liked it. Some people hated it. This hidden bunk right here is awesome. It works for people, but some people just knew it wasn't needed and they really didn't like it. So for 2024, they just came back with the classic floor plan for this 400. Now we can order that regular floor plan with just a dinette that turns into the bed, the single bed. With that being said, we don't get this whole bunk. This is a whole new option and a whole new model now. It's called the 400HB, which stands for hidden bunk. So I'm stoked about that. It's something that a lot of people have talked to me about in the recent year and a half or so that they introduced this new hidden bunk model. So I'm anxious to see what this is going to do with bringing back the classic floor plan. Hey, you made it to the end of the video, and I greatly appreciate that. If you like these kind of videos, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button in the corner and keep on coming back for more. I have weekly uploads of these camper comparisons, and I also have a 2024 tag upgrade video, so make sure you check that out. Thanks for coming.